as well, and then we'll begin the event. Okay, so I'm live now. Okay, so everyone, how is it going? Hope you all are doing great. That is great. I'm from Pakistan. We are seeing some beautiful price action right here. So, you guys got any trades today? Where from in Pakistan? So basically, I'm from KP, but I live in Rawalpindi. Where are you from, Sino? I can understand that. Oh, great. Okay, so we got a lot of Pakistanis in here. So I'm just gonna wait like 2 minutes for everyone to join, and then we'll actually begin this event and have a giveaway as well. Okay, so you're from India. Great. Germany, that's great. Amazing. Egypt. So we got people from all parts of the world. Okay, let me have a check on my YouTube stream. Let's see how is it going. Hi, 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 Barack FX. Hi, Sanjay. Hi, Kings Nation. What's up? So I'm basically gonna read the chats from Discord as well as the YouTube. And let me know if you can see the screen clearly. The quality, everything's great. Netherlands, great. Yeah, okay, great. All right, so let me just give a brief overview of what we are actually gonna do in this stream. And yeah, so firstly, I'm gonna talk about the Discord that I have completely revamped. Okay, so my Discord, it is completely changed now, and I'm gonna talk about that. Also, I'm gonna tell you about the platform, my premium platform. Apart from that, we are gonna trade live on the stream. So I'm gonna look for trades in the stream because I'm on 100K account and I just need 1.4% to pass the phase one up it. So we'll look for entries during the stream and trade live. I'll be taking questions as well. Apart from that, I have one of my funded student, legendary charts. You see him in the server. He posts his trade. He's such an amazing trader. I'm gonna ask him some questions, and he's gonna give some tips, etc., to guide you through how he got into the funding stage, etc., and how he got profitable and the problems that he faced. So that is gonna help a lot of people here. So it's going to be an exciting stream, of course. We are going to go through all these things. It's going to be really fun. And also, we have a giveaway as well. So there are going to be 10 accounts giveaway of 5K with Day Funded. All right. So sounds good. Let me know. Also, I'll be taking questions, so you can ask me any questions, and I'll be there to answer. Okay, so give me a sec. Thank you, Rao Ali. What's up, 3 a.m.? What is the best strategy for the people who work? Now it depends on the time zone. So you said you are in Germany. So let me quickly first see what is the time zone in Germany. It's 1 p.m. right now. So I think okay, so I think you will be able to trade Asia session then. And to be honest, I don't have experience with the Asia session, so I can't really say much about it. How long have you been trading? So I started in 2022 August. That's when I started. And I am monitoring EU at the moment. I'm looking for a short entry. It's very one-sided. I can't just enter right here. Really needed to have a retracement, and that's why I'm gonna look for entries. But for now, it doesn't seem like it's retracing. Just gonna focus on the stream. I think it's fixed now. He's not able. Oh, wait. Give me a second. Sorry, man. Give me a second. I thought it's an alt. Really sorry about this. You will be able to now. Just give me a second. Okay, so can you check now White Dragon and let me know if it's working now? Yeah, great. Uh, how much time it took you to find? Okay, so it was like 6 months or something, 7 months. Now, the reason why I got it so quick and quicker than others, like in, from most in the industry, is because my dedication to it. Okay, first thing, my dedication to it. I literally would have 6 to 7 hours of screen time, uh, 6 to 7 hours of screen time. Just chart time. Okay, in my school, I will just look into charts, etc., and just try to analyze things and see different things. I failed a lot, but then after 6 months, then after that, another good thing that happened to me was discovering ICT quickly. So after like 3 or 4 months uh, starting ICT, I actually, sorry, after start trading, I discovered ICT, and that's where things literally completely changed for me. Okay, it completely changed for me. Everything was uh, everything got so cleared. And then now you might ask, it was so quick to get profitable with ICT too. Now the reason was I was really strict with my rules. I don't know if you were here with me in the server or not. Most of you were probably not at that time, but there are some guys that actually know. I was trading in this server for live, okay, back in 2023 March. Okay, I was trading in it and I was really strict with my rules. I was following one strategy and really was strict with my rules. So that was the reason that got me profitable so quickly. So I'll really recommend everything, literally everyone, okay? I will literally recommend everyone to be strict with your rules, with your risk management rules and all those things. No matter the strategy you use, you can be profitable with 40% win rate, with 50% win rate. It's all about the risk management and the plan that you have. And that's what most of the people struggle with. Most of the people, they cannot accept their losses. So what they do is that well, once they lose a trade, they will start over trading. They will start revenge trading, and that is what leads to blowing accounts, right? Is the MM exam course worth it? Yes, of course, man. It's totally worth it. It is an totally game changer, to be honest. It got like, bias became really easy for me after taking that course. So it's definitely worth it. EU, yeah, man, EU is just crazy. I mean, I was looking into the chart and I was looking into this. This was literally my perfect entry model trade, but it was before 8 a.m., so I didn't actually enter. But that would have got me past my 100K already. Look at this. It's like 2.7 or something. And I just need 1.5 power. Same here. I'm not actually, uh, I'm not looking for any new knowledge, to be honest, okay? Whatever the knowledge that I have, I think that's enough for me. I'm good with it. I don't need more knowledge because the more knowledge you consume, the more confusing it is gonna get for you. So I really recommend keeping it simple and not just looking for extra things. Like I have a lot of knowledge. I know a lot of things. CBDRs, standard deviations, okay, and the ICT IBDA data ranges. Because I told you, I was so dedicated to learning. I was so dedicated to learning. I will literally learn every single thing. I started from core content. Okay, one more thing. I like, unlike others, I started with core content. Okay, I started from month one, ICT core content month one, and I think that also helped me as well. Okay, how can we enter the giveaway? Bro, I'm gonna post a link soon. Okay, I'll give the guidelines for the giveaway very soon. Okay, so just hang in with me. I don't see any news actually. It's all, I don't know, directional. It's kind of very insane. Like there isn't any news, etc. Yet price is just uh melting like this, 20 pips. Damn, that's crazy. But now here, the trading plan is that I need a retracement, and then that's where I can look for short entries. Would really love to see a retracement. And this is explained in the weekly outlook on the Twitter and the video that I posted yesterday and on Monday as well. Uh, it's really clear that price is coming here. Okay, and we can clearly see that. Goodbye, Trader Mo. All right, so I think now I'll walk you through the Discord. Okay, how's that? So, is there internet site that you use for confluence when trading COT? No, I don't use that. I don't use that at all. Um, and bro, try to chat in the chat upstream. I mean, not in the free chat, in the channel. Okay. Oh my God. Uh, All right. So let me change the window. Okay. So here is the Discord. Okay. Let me do that for the YouTube as well. Here is the Discord. It is completely renewed and I'm active than ever. Okay. I wasn't active in the past few months because I was busy with some things. I had to change a house as well. I moved to a new house and yeah, so but now I'm finally back. I'm trying to get time out of out for this thing. Tell us day-to-day routine. Okay, give me a second. All right, so for me, since I'm a student, okay, I go to university. I have classes at 8 a.m. I go there and at 1 p.m. or something, by my classes are, I'm done with the classes. I'm back by 1:45 or something home, and then I'll rest a little. I sleep and sometimes wake up at 5 p.m., sometimes wake up at 5:50, and for that reason, for this busy schedule, all this due to this schedule, I miss a lot of trading days. But now I'm just trying to get myself back into the market and trying to get time out for trading. And that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so let's get into the server. Okay, so this is the free section. So there comes all the announcements. Also, this is David. Okay, he's helping me with the server, right? So if he's a legit guy, okay, so if he's like an official guy in this server, okay. Then we have the rules, etc., the social softwares. We have all these softwares. So if you wanna like use Bybit, Dayfunded, TradeZilla, etc., you can use these links. That's gonna help me out. And then here I have this giveaway. Okay, let me open a giveaway right here because I'm gonna give away 5 accounts here on Discord, and I will pick 5 winners from YouTube as well. So it's gonna be here for like 60, okay, 80 minutes. The number of winners are gonna be five, a 5K challenge account. Alright, so you guys can come here and participate right here, okay, for the giveaway. And the YouTube chat, don't worry, I'm gonna host a giveaway for YouTube as well in this stream actually. How do I manage risk and position sizing for the trade? Now, I personally usually I would actually just risk 1% per trade, and that is I'm gonna choose the lot side with the help of this website right here. This is called Cashback Forex. Wait. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get into it after I go over the Discord. All right. Okay. So here is all these students of mine. Okay, these are the profitable students from my mentorship. Viv Besser, absolutely insane. Bless, he's crazy guy. Tokyo, he's also insane and legendary. You see him post his stuff right here. It's very educational, so I'll really recommend you guys to check him out and also check these other dudes as well. Their posts are too amazing. Literally very best. I also show some love to their socials as well. They have their social accounts, so you can follow them there and see their stuff, right? I have this 100K account. Y'all probably know about this. I started this a couple of months ago, but due to issues of time and I was really busy, I couldn't actually trade on this. But now it's at 6.6%, and I just need 1.4%. So if I get a profitable trade in this stream, then I think then I'll pass this one. Okay. Then coming into this right here, you can open a ticket. If you have any questions and you don't want other people to see it, you can just directly ask me questions right here. Open a ticket and interact with me. Then this comes the paired section. Let me actually open them up. So these are for my paired members. You get some analysis, etc. here, monthly recaps. This is where I'm actually gonna post the recaps and reviews of every single trade taken in the month and the analysis, etc. I have this channel right here. Now, this is actually where the students can share uh, their trading account analytics and be transparent here. Now, why do I have this here? I have this here because a lot of people struggle with mindset and control over themselves. So when they post things publicly, they will feel that sense of accountability and they will try to be uh, like if they when they try to breach their rules, they will kind of feel a little ashamed that why am I actually doing it? And a lot of other people are also going to see them, so that might actually hurt them, stop them uh, from breaching their rules. I think it's a very great idea to have this right here because personally, this Twitter challenge that I have, this live 100K account challenge that I have, it's helping me as well. It's helping me build more patience, etc. So I think uh, it's a great thing to have in here. Then they have the chats, then all the live streams that I have done, they are being posted here, and live events. So that's where I'm gonna I'm gonna come live with them and they can ask me questions about anything if they have any doubts. Then I have all these modules. So we got these basics first, state up the market, open high, low close, etc., liquidity pools. Then we have the order flow and it's getting little advanced. Okay, so this was the whole overview of the Discord. If you want to upgrade, you can just click right here and then upgrade to the premium. All right, so now I think I'm coming back into the questions, and I'm actually waiting for Legendary as well. He's gonna come and uh, we are gonna have some chit chat, and he will guide you through how he got to the funding stage and how he got to profitability as well. All right, so now taking questions. Discord link says expire. Have you checked my the link in my bio on Twitter? Do you focus only on EU? I don't focus only on EU. I focus on GU as well. So DXY, EU, and GU, these are my pairs to look for. Usually, when I was free, I would had time, I would actually uh, monitor literally a lot of pairs, like the exotic pairs as well, all the JPYs, the CAD pairs. But now I don't get time. I barely get time uh, to trade EU. So that's why I'm just monitoring EU and GU at the moment. And let me change the screen as well, the window. But I get this question asked a lot. A lot of people ask me that how many pairs do you monitor or how many pairs should I monitor? It really depends on you. In my opinion, monitoring more pairs is better because uh, not like on EU, you won't get clean price action every single time. So in my opinion, having more uh, uh, pairs to monitor is better. And then you can actually, you know, pick the best pair out of it, the one that looks clean, and just trade it. What makes a retracement high probability in terms of time frame alignment? Can we get an example from current price action? What do you mean by retracement high probability? Can you elaborate that a little? Did you take the short? No, not today. I didn't took this. I was looking into it, but I didn't because it was outside uh, the 8 a.m. window. You can see it happened at for 7:40 a.m. But if something like that appeared after the 8 a.m. time window, I would definitely enter on there. Now, price has taken out this floor right here, so it is this one right here. So price is actually retracing, and I'm gonna wait for it to retrace, and then that's where I will look for entries. So this is my plan right now. I'm not entering before that. How much capital are you funding? All right, so this questions. Um, I got funded with 25K on futures with Apex, but you know, due to my bad luck, uh, I live in Pakistan and this country has a lot of restrictions. It's like a North Korea 2.0. For that reason, uh, I lost that account just because I made 400 profit on that, but I was never able to take a payout on it because uh, well, because of the country I live in, so my account was terminated. So it's a bad luck, but it is what it is. Then after that, uh, I actually started trading back because I'm a person who loves to trade on my personal capital. I started back trading on my personal capital, and then after that, I started the day funded challenge. So currently, I'm actually trading with my personal capital, and I'm about to pass my 100K account, so that is gonna go into my funding. Can US trade? Yes, they can use day funded. Do you trade London? I used to trade London, but I can't right now uh due to the school actually. Yes, we are coming into this fair value gap. There are several backers on the. Yes, exactly. FTMO2. Yes, man. My country is so bad. Okay, trust me. I cannot use Twitter at the moment. I'll show you. Okay, my VPN is disconnected. If I try to refresh it, see, I cannot use Twitter. I have to use a VPN to use Twitter. It's a North Korea 2.0, lol. Hey, Legendary, what's up? So Legendary is back. Day scheme sketchy. Okay, so I'm gonna clear these things. A lot of people are actually worried about the condition. A lot of people are worried about their funded situation. I'm gonna explain every single thing about them. All right. So, uh, they rolled out like a few months ago, and due to a high influx of traders, their V1 dashboard got a little overwhelmed. Okay. Uh, so due to that, it was causing a lot of problems, and traders were facing a lot of issues due to the V1 dashboard. So they had to, in emergency, upgrade to a dashboard version 2, and that's what's currently going. So now people are still facing issues. So the people that were in the V1 dashboard who got their account in the V1 dashboard, they're just having payout delays. They are not getting denied, they're just having delays. Okay, my friend, he requested a payout on 1st March and he got it like 6 days ago, 4 days ago or 5 days ago. So they are not denying payouts. It's just that there is a delay. And the V2 dashboard traders, they are getting their payouts in 3 days without any delay. No, I don't look into futures. I don't. Legendary, bro. You can come on the stage with me. I mean, can you request for speaking? MT5, yes, MT5 is allowed. All right, so hey, hi, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Sorry for the delay.
It's
I'm late.
okay. It's
Sorry.
okay. It's okay.
Having heavy traffic.
So, how is it going for you? How's your trading going? I see your trades, they are amazing, but how's it going with your daily life?
You're good, great, and um, still in getting more some challenges in
Okay.
in in trading. Yeah, and right now I'm back on trading in crypto because I already have some edge in forex. So yeah.
Yeah, and I saw like you are a pretty great crypto trader. At first, you actually showed us some screenshots where you turned your $100 account into 500. That's massive. That's like 5x. You are absolutely crazy. And I see your trades. They're pretty amazing, and I absolutely love it. Um, you're welcome. All right, so I'm just trying to read some chats, and then we can get back where you live in Pakistan. So I'm originally from KPK, and I live in Rawalpindi. All right. Thank you, Tawfiq Lawal. It's great to have you here as well. I want to ask you, please show how do you take entries from after recognized drawn liquidity intraday basis on lower time frame? Okay, let me go through that. So let me actually explain the trade that I took yesterday. So I got my drawn liquidity already. Okay, this was the drawn liquidity, which is price is heading into. Then I saw on the M5, I saw this structure. So for me, I enter when price makes an intermediate term high or low. So this is an intermediate term high. This is a short term high. This is a short term high. And as soon as price breaks this low, this is like where I enter and target for like 2 hour. And if you look into this right here, it is an example up intermediate term high. Can you see that? So this is how I take entries. Why are there people who mark the standard deviations with the posterior? Uh, I don't get this questions. I don't get this question. Can you elaborate, please? Asian consolidation and London sweep. Is this how we find? No, there are a lot of. Oh, I'm sorry, YouTube guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's not just the sweep up, the Asian high, etc. This is not what gets you the price. You need to understand order flow. Order flow is basically the trend of the market. So if I'm gonna look into this market right here, this is in a bearish order flow, right? Because price is respecting bearish PD arrays. So this is what bias is for me. This is where my bias comes from. The Asian high, low thing, etc. It's not enough for you to get a bias. I only know swing thought flow, no deviation and other stuff. The things that I've taught to my private students, they were really simple, okay? And the students that are here, they can actually tell you how simple I've made every single thing. Oh my God, there's some huge background noises. Noise. Okay, it's gone. All right, so I've made things very simple, and I believe in simplicity. In trading, simplicity is literally everything. If you keep your things simple, you're gonna find profitability. If not, then you're gonna literally mess up your trading completely. So I'll really recommend sticking to a few things and mastering that rather than looking for more information. I usually have classes during London, so NY session, bro, I have my model. It is completely explained. So I'll recommend you to check my YouTube channel for that. And that model works in London session, that model works in Asia session as well, and that model works in NY session as well. Yes, there are going to be upcoming classes, but I don't think that is going to concern you. There are going to be a few things that I'm going to add which might help the current students. Some concepts that I'm going to add which will actually strengthen your current knowledge uh, that you have about the current course. How much months are profitability? I think if someone is consistently making money for 2 to 3 months, I think he can call himself profitable. And that really depends on the number of trades he takes as well. So if a person is taking 50 trades a month and he's profitable, I'll say he's profitable. Okay. But if someone is taking 4 trades a month and he's profitable for that month, then we can't really say he's profitable. We have to look for another month. We have to monitor our next month or the month after that. Can you give us psychology tips? Psychology tips, to be honest, that's something that experience is gonna get you. But I mean, I can give you motivation, but y'all know motivation works for a short period of time. It just gets you excited, and then after a day or two, you forget every single thing. So motivation won't work. Uh, the experience is what is gonna give you control over yourself and have you follow your strict rules. What I can say is that okay, this thing some people will agree, some people will disagree with it. But in my opinion, if you are struggling with psychology and you are not being patient and you are taking uh, low probable setups, I'll say try to trade publicly. If you trade in front of a certain audience, it is somehow gonna give you a sense of accountability, and that might actually help you you know, have more patience and look for the best rates. Trust me, the challenge that I'm having right now, it's a public 100K challenge and it's helping me. It's helping me getting even more discipline than I ever was because I know I'm trading in front of like how many people do we have in this server? We have like 1,000 people in this server. I'm trading in front of them. I have 15K followers on Twitter. I'm trading in front of that. So I really feel that pressure. I feel that pressure for picking the best trade and not actually chasing low probable setups in hurry. So I think some people will agree with it, some people will disagree, but that's something that I just think. Okay, so now getting back to Legendary. So I'm gonna have Q&A with him. So bro, you are here with us? Let me know.
Hello, hello. Yeah, yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, great. So can you actually tell us about your background and your trading experience before you joined my community?
Um, sure. I am well. I did not go to school in college. Why? Because um, here in the Philippines, I'm based in the Philippines, by the way, guys. So I um because of the down after high school. I already working as a um, part-time job, so small business. So yeah, I'm a laborer. So afterwards, in 2018, I meet Bitcoin in news. So I became curious about it. So af- I became I started searching 2018 for the Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Then afterward, in 19, I became I'm working as a community manager in some crypto projects. So all of my money, it's until now, so it is from crypto. So that's in 2020, I learned crypto trading. So yeah, after that, fast forward until last year, so 2023. So I am a 4 years, 4 years, I guess, 4 years into crypto trading. But yeah, of course, I want to expand my knowledge. So in crypto trading, I know better how to trade, how to the setup, the 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 data. I know how to trade in crypto. But yeah, because I want to expand more my knowledge, so I'm searching. It's my first time using Twitter. Then found out about Swing. So yeah, I end up taking your course because I want to learn more something into Forex because I try Forex and it's really not the same in crypto. So yeah, that's how I end up getting your course.
That's a great background, to be honest. Uh, it must be really hard to trade with your job, wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so even though I'm not on a job, I'm a student. I feel that it's really hard for me to manage my life at the moment. It's that you really have to have some strict schedule. You have to sleep on time because if you mess up your schedule a little, you are either gonna not be attentive in your classes, uh, and it's kind of really messy. So I can feel how it is gonna be with a job. So really props to everyone who's trading with job and actually making it and trying to get their life better. I really appreciate them. So I have a question for you. What is a tip that you wish that you knew when you started trading?
Um, not the I can I can tell about not looking for the profit. Yeah, that's it. Not looking I mean not really into money. Of course we are trading because of money, but uh the there is for me in my first, second, third year of trading, I always wanted to to have a good life, to have a getting success in a short period of time. But that the way or the thing, the reason why everyone failed because of you know
Yes,
having the first yeah, into money, into profit.
it's actually rushing the process. So that is what makes a lot of people lose money because and it's not people to be blamed to be honest because the image that people and the influencer and the gurus have promoted about trading. It's a get rich quick scheme. They are gonna show their Lamborghinis, they are gonna show their fake Rolexes and their fake money and just like flex on the social media. So it actually makes people believe that trading is a get rich quick scheme and you can just make thousands of dollars in like on overnight, which is absolutely wrong.
Yeah,
And I got into this industry to be honest because I also thought it's some easy thing that you just need to get the knowledge about trading, about understanding where the market is gonna go, etc. and then it's just really easy after that, and it's just like you are just gonna make it in like a few months or so. But I was totally wrong. I was totally wrong about it when I actually saw that it's a completely different game, and you have to be fighting with yourself. You are consistently fighting with yourself. You are fighting your weak sides, your impatience, your lack of discipline, and all those things. And once you understand that and you master that, that's when you know that. That's when you things actually start to click for you, and you start making money from trading. So, by the way, guys, if you guys have any questions for Legendary, you can drop it in the chat.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Um,
Would love.
right. The effect.
Yeah, so he's asking about your model and how you actually trade after getting your bias.
Oh, I see, I see. So I can't share my screen, but yeah, um, everything, I guess everything, Swing already, discussed this one in his mentorship. It's really easy. You gotta need a, from higher time frame, of course, the PDRA, so daily. So for me, I am using a daily time frame to mark my, PDRA. So afterwards, then I'm going to S4. So that's my time frame, S4, 50 minutes and 1 minute. But sometimes, for the 1 minute, that's the lower time frame. All right. So every time, when the market goes up or tap to the PDRA, that's the time every session. So my execution time or sessions will be London or the New York.
As
So if
okay,
Hello,
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. Go on, go on.
All right. So in the London session, so if I meet in the London session and it creates a, a manipulation, because still it's PO3 AMD, accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. So if I miss in the London session, because for me, I want a good setup, so I don't want to be doubtful when in the market structure. So I really picky in my trades. I don't really trade without any, confirmation, everything like that. So for me, I really need some confirmation. So first thing first is, yeah, the price should tap into the PDRA. That's it. Afterwards, you wait for the session to make a market structure shift, then that's it. If in the London, in example, in 50 minutes, you see a market structure shift inside in the PDRA, then you can see, or you can trade it into New York session. So that's it. Example, like in the euro, like right now, you can see, um London session trade a, um I mean, the London session, price taps to the H4 per value gap or into our PDR rate. And guess what? In the New York session, you can see it's dump, right? So that's it.
Yeah. So basically, you just wait for a daily PDRA to be hit, and then like a high time frame PDRA to be hit, and then you go into the low time frame, which is the M15 in your case. You go into there, and when inside a kill zone, your a market structure shift happens. That's where you enter. So that's basically your whole trading plan, and you always wait for this, and you don't rush into low probable trading setups, right?
Yep, exactly. That's it.
I have the same kind of trading model as well. The difference is just the entry pattern that I use. So y'all most of you will know that I use like an intermediate term high or an intermediate term low. So I'm only gonna enter if an intermediate term high or intermediate term low is formed. The rest is literally the same for me. I also wait for like a high time frame to show me a clear direction, and once the PDR is hit there, then on the very in the second time frame, which in my case, if I'm gonna trade on M5, it is gonna be H1. I want to see some bearish structure on the H1 as well. And then going into the M5, I look for an ITH or an ITL, and that's where I enter. Hi, wait. Hi, Halias. It's great. We are happy to have you here as well. Okay, someone's asking how do you deal with losses?
Um, Me?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. For the first, yeah, it's pretty hard, when you are trading in um using platform or even in the own money because but um it's the key to for you not to be able to trust emotion. You need to have your own risk management. For example, right now in my challenge,
Okay.
I don't really use
Wait, give me a
one
second.
percent.
Give me a second. There are echoes. I think it's wait. I think I'll have to change the window because okay, so good now? Okay, can you start speaking again?
All right, sure.
Okay.
So yes, for me, I usually because I see a lot of Twitter influencers are posting their wins, so uh, I recommend not to look all of those because you have your own story. Then for me, so I can handle my losses. I don't get attached emotions by risking. For me in my trading, I risk 0.5 per trade only. So I don't care if it's lose or win, as long as I have my plan. Okay, I have my plan. If you trade without plan, then for sure you're getting emotions. You're getting revenge trade, getting FOMO. So all you need to do is better to wait your setup and trade it. If you lose, then it's still a good loss. Why? Because you trade your plan and then you still manage your risk. For me, in my case, I reach 0.5% in my total port. So that's it.
Okay, so and I'll give a tip to every single one. Uh, you actually revenge trade or you actually can't accept losses when you know you expect something from the market. Okay, so you shouldn't actually expect anything from the market. Now I know y'all are here for making money from the market, but it doesn't work this way. The markets are you are just playing with probabilities. So even though you can have a 70% win rate or a 90% win rate strategy, it can still fail. It can still fail. It can give you, for example, for a month it will do very bad and it will result in a negative month. But that doesn't mean that you just actually start revenge trading or something. So you don't have to expect anything from the market. Just trade your plan, and that's it. If you win, that's great. If you lose, learn something from it. Okay? Never expect anything from the market because these markets are, you know, you can never tell 100% of the time where the market might go. So do not expect anything from the market. Once you actually forget about these expectations from the market, because what I see is that most of the people they set some targets for themselves. They are like, I have to make 10% this month. I have to pass this account this month. I have to pass this account this week. Oh, there's just 1% left to pass the account. I have to do it today. That's not how this is gonna work. You don't expect anything from it. And that's where everything goes wrong. So, for example, if you have this mindset that today you are going to pass this account and you are just one trade away from it, you enter a trade, you lose it, you get angry. You get angry about it. You then look for another trade. You lose that trade, you are like, oh, I just fucked up my entire life. I just fucked up my entire hard work. Let's gamble it. And that's where you start gambling. Okay, and you lose your account, you hit your daily drawdown. So do not ever expect anything from the market. ABD Slam. Hi, bro. How is it going? Who is it with you? It's actually one of my students, Legendary. He's an amazing trader. Do you trade the Asian model? I don't trade that, neither do Legendary. Thanks for answering, sticking to my plans. Yeah, be fooled by the randomness. Yeah. So a lot of people that's something that I really argued a lot to new traders and my students to not have any expectations, to not have literally any expectations from the market. Because if you have this mindset that yes, I'm gonna make $1,000 today, and you don't make that, it is gonna make you sad. It is gonna make you sad, it's gonna make you angry. It's gonna get you disappointed in the markets. And you know when you get disappointed and when you get emotionally overwhelmed, you know what people do. They make some severe mistakes, some crazy mistakes. So simple as that, don't expect anything from the market. I know it's hard and it's easy for me to say it like this, but as I said, experience is the thing that is going to give you emotional control and mindset. So once you experience these things and once you experience these losses, etc., from your silly mistakes, that's where you are going to get stronger. Walaikum salam. You ever tell us about something about drawn liquidity daily bias? So daily bias, that's totally, I've talked this a lot, but let me do it once again. It's all about order flow. So if I'm gonna go into a daily or weekly chart, I'm gonna see how where the market is going. If market is doing something like this, then that's a clear bullish market for me, and I'm gonna look for buys, and my bias is gonna be bullish. But if the market is doing something like this, and that's why I'm going to be bearish. That's clearly bearish for me because the order flow is bearish. Market is continuously going lower. It is going to get into PD arrays like this and respect it. It will respect the bearish PD arrays. So that suggests bearishness. So for example, we have an example of it right here. For example, yesterday I took this trade right here. Why was I bearish? Because if I go into the daily chart, we can see bearishness right here. Wait, I actually forgot to turn on the screen for the YouTube as well. Again, alright, so if you see right here, this is clearly bearish. Look at this chart right here. This is bearish. Price is going into PD arrays and rejecting from that. Price is taking out short-term highs and rejecting from that. Here we see that again. There is this auto block. It's not fully reached, but still, we can say this whole is an auto block. So price got there and rejected from there. There's this fair value gap. Price is rejecting from here. So that suggests bearishness. This is what tells us where market is gonna go. This is literally bias. That's it. You don't have to complicate it. A lot of people, I see a lot of people complicate daily bias. It's really that simple. If the market is going higher, you should just buy. If the market is going lower, you should just look for sells. All right, so here I'm gonna look for a trade setup. Okay, because I see my model is appearing. So my model is an intermediate term high formation. So and short term high is taken out. If price manages to break this low, I'm gonna enter here with my stop loss here. and target 1.5 hour because that's what I need to pass my account. Okay, let me just quickly calculate the risk. 4.8 pips, 20.8. All right. So if price breaches this low, I'm just gonna enter on my account. So I'm just gonna put in the lot size, etc. All right, getting back into the chat. You catch? No, I didn't catch the trade. It was outside the kill zone, so that's why I didn't. But if it's choppy or consolidation, then that means no trading at all. If you get chopped up in a trade, then just stay away from the charts. That's it. There are many things that are hard. Most times, when one isn't privatized, tries to learn new concepts to convince himself that it's not him, it's his knowledge what doesn't make him profitable. So they overload themselves with information and new things, and then they don't know what to do first. Since there are a lot of conflict. Exactly, man. Um, More knowledge doesn't mean profitability. It's just a way of confusing yourself. So consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal, absolutely amazingly explained. Study yes, external range to internal range. That's also one way to get your bias from. And I have a thread on it on my Twitter, so people can check that. Let's go, White Dragon. Amazing. And don't just don't hesitate to ask me any questions, etc. I'll always be there to answer. Daily IRL to daily ARL. Yes, exactly. That's how it is. If I go into the daily chart, you can see that. Let me remove this. It's daily ERL, sorry, IRL, and it's going into daily ERL. So cycle is just repeating. Let me check for any SMTs, etc. Nothing actually. Euro is actually weak. That is because EG is going lower. Legendary. What's your thoughts on the markets? What do you think where euro is going?
For me, right now I am looking for some short position because yeah, as what mentioned here, we are targeting the consolidation or original consolidation
Yeah.
here in the um price 132 or yeah, this area 52 to 95
Mm-hmm.
7895 in the H4. So yeah, that's what I am looking at the moment. So but
Okay.
still there's no there's no um opportunity at the moment. So yeah, all you need to do, guys, is just wait
Yep.
for the price to
Exactly. Just
yeah,
show your model. That's what we do.
because earlier I am expecting the market to go up back to the top to the H4, and that's where I mean the entry area or zone. But yeah, I am not in my house, so still I
Yeah.
miss the pullback in the NY open. So yeah, waiting.
All right. So acco- according to my model, for me, if it breaks this low, that's an entry for me. So I'm just gonna enter once it breaks this low.
All right.
And this is just what I need. That's literally it. All right, so I'm entering. Done. I entered. Done. So I'm into this trade actually. Let's see how it goes. If I lose, it's just a losing transaction. That's it. Uh, I'm not gonna get emotional over it or something like that. I know how to manage my risk, etc. White Dragon, yes. Yeah. By the way, if anyone wants to speak something, they can just come up live and speak.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Uh, okay, bro, you entered on the closure of the candle, or you just entered on the break?
I just enter on the
It looks
Brex.
like closing, right?
No, I just enter on the
Mm.
Brex. No, it's just Brex
Okay,
actually.
okay, not the closure.
Yes, not the closure. Closure isn't necessary for my trading model.
So okay,
Yeah.
that's what I got. Because I thought it was a closure of the candle.
Oh no.
We just need a wick. Okay, thank
It's iftar time here as well. Uh, in like 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna be here. Bye though. Thanks for joining. And let me tell you what, the my win rate, you guys can see it. My win rate is extremely low, yet I'm profitable. Like I'm still up 6.6% with such a I think my win rate will be just 40% or something like that. It's all because I'm just following my rules. I'm not trying to rush into positions. I'm not trying to revenge trade. Uh, if I lose a trade, I just close the charts, and that is it for me. And that's how everyone should be.
you. What is your RR, bro? What is RR?
I usually target uh, 2 RR, but here, since I just need 1.4%, I'm just targeting 1.5 R.
Okay. In the statistics, overall in this competition you're doing, what was your rules? Prescribe what rules?
It was 2 hour. I was just target 2 hour, but the trade I took yesterday, I risked 2% on that because I'm using elevated risks because
Okay.
I don't get a lot of free time these days, so I've decided to risk more, okay, risk more and trade less. So yeah. How do you calculate your risk? So I'm just gonna go into trading view like this. I'm gonna calculate how much the stop loss is. So it was 4.8 in this case. Enter it right here in this website, cashbackforex.com. 4.8, risk up $1,000. Okay, shit, I messed up. Okay, here. So $1,000 is my risk. Whatever your risk is gonna be, you can put it there and just click on calculate. And it is gonna give you your lot size. Yes, here's the website. Nico, I won't agree to that because I am just using 2RR. That's it, and it's actually working for me. Looking for a rejection from this right here. Hi, Amar, Forex Trading. It's been really clean price action past couple of days. And if you have watched the videos that I uploaded yesterday and on Monday, it's going pretty much exactly the same. So I anticipated that, yeah, the market is gonna retrace higher first in the London session and then continue going lower, and that is what's happening. Same thing was for this thing.
Bro, why you kept the stop loss around the short term high, not above intermediate term high?
What?
Why you kept your stop loss around a short term high, not above intermediate term high?
It's just that, in my experience, whenever price is like bearish or bullish, it won't just go above this right here. So that's why I have my invalidation right here. It shouldn't actually go above this place if it really wanna go lower.
Okay, okay.
If
Oh,
it if
oh,
it, if
okay.
it goes
It
up,
will it
yeah,
will invalidate the trade. Okay.
yeah. If it goes up, then it is gonna most likely take out this high as well. So that actually
Okay.
does no good putting your stop loss above there. Also, we have this order block, so even this shouldn't be breached. But you just have to give a little space to the market. If you
Okay.
weren't only looking for where would you target? I would target 2R. That's it. This is actually on DXY. I believe this high is gonna be taken out. And I posted this on Twitter yesterday. We can see that price is clearly bullish. Red on short-term low, and then it expands higher. By the way, if anyone wants to speak up, they can just request. And anyone has any questions, they can just ask me straight up. What is an ITH? So it's actually a high that has a short-term high to a left side of it and a short-term high to a right side of it, something like this. So this is a high. It has another high to a left side of it below it, and another high to a right side of it below it. So this is actually an intermediate term high, this high right here. Reveal your face. No, I'm not doing that. Might maybe in future, but not right now. Yes, I will do these live streams often now. Bro, can you review the trades you took on the challenge? Yes, I am. I will actually do it in the premium for in the monthly recaps. So the monthly recaps and reviews. So I'll have a stream there and review it there. Any reason? I'm just shy, man. I just can't reveal my face. You won't hear a thing if I just show my face right here because I'm just too shy. What? It's muted? Hello? Hello? Is it still muted? Hello? Hello? Can anyone just let me know if you can hear me? Can you still hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, it's audible now, looks like. Hello? Is it still not audible? By the YouTube, the people on YouTube can hear me. It's the people on Discord that cannot. Hello? Hello? I think Wait, okay. I'm sorry for this. I don't know why. So make sure you can hear me on YouTube. Hello. Not sure. Okay, great. So I think I'll just have it on YouTube then. Okay, by the way, let me check if I'm still in the trade or not. Yes, I'm still in the trade. Great. Looks like it is gonna reject now. Great. All right, so give me just like 3 minutes break. I'm gonna get water and then come back. All right. All right, so I'm back. Hopefully this thing rejects from here. Um, Review the trade. Yes, yes, I'm gonna do this. But uh, wait, like I cannot do every one of it right now. So looking into this trade currently, let's see at how this one goes. By the way, in the coming time, I'm gonna be doing these kind of streams very often where I'm gonna trade live, take questions like this. It's gonna be really fun. I'm enjoying it, to be honest. The thing is in some consolidation right now. If price actually breaks this low right here, then I think it is gonna continue going lower because that is gonna be like an intermediate term high formation here on the 1 minute chart. But thing is in consolidation. Yes, we got short-term high. Yes, if this breaches this low right here, this one. So that means that this is an M1 intermediate term high formations and market actually it's very hard for market to break intermediate term highs. I was, planning to do these live trading streams very earlier. Like I decided to do it back in like January, but then the political situation in the country got really messed up. Okay, and for that reason, the internet connection wasn't really great with me, and because there were elections going on, so it's a third world country, so these things are pretty normal in here. Then I had to move to a new house, and for that reason, I wasn't really able to live stream. And now finally, I've got a good internet connection. I'm in the new house with my trading setup and everything. And yeah, now I'll try to be consistent. Man, I really want to pass this account live on the stream, but I'm not just gonna get emotional if I lose this trade. It's just gonna be a losing transaction for me. That's it. I'm just gonna close the charts and done. I'll try to stream another day and take a trade live there. And as I've said, I don't expect anything from the market. So when I enter a trade, uh, I don't have the expectations of it going to my target. I try to stay as neutral as possible. Of course, I'm a human. I'm gonna have emotions, but I just try my best to stay as positive, as neutral as possible, not positive. Hopefully, this thing also goes lower. So if this thing goes lower, that actually is gonna suggest uh, weakness in euro over GBP. Sometimes this things really gets annoying, this euro GBP thing. So GBP will be bleeding and euro won't even move. It will even it will go in the opposite direction, which really is annoying. Okay, I think it's going lower. And see how all this generated liquidity market has generated this liquid. Wait, let me actually get into another chart. So market generated all this liquidity going before targeting it. So we have all these equal lows. So the people who believe in support and resistances, they're gonna have their stop losses right here because there'll be like it's a strong level of support or resistance, etc. And then the market just attacks it. So I might be wrong, but that's how it usually works. For example, right here, some equal lows and it's attack later. We have these equal lows as well and it's attacked. So the market always just does this. It generates liquidity and then attacks it. Losses are just exactly, man, that's how it is. It's just a business expense. Just as ICT says, it's just a losing transaction in your business. Yes, if it breaks, it is gonna go really crazy low. But seems like it's just choosing to stay in consolidation for a while. Your GBP is going lower. That is what we like to see. Good evening, bro. How are you? Oh man, this is annoying. Lol. Alright, finally. Bro, रोजा मैंने खोल लिया है. I'm gonna eat properly after the stream ends. That's lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna move my stop loss to this order block right now because price shouldn't actually breach this high if it wants to continue going lower. Oh my god, that's amazing. Wow, this is some beautiful expansion. This is lovely. No, I'm not moving it to break even right now. Just having it above the order block. Now, on the M1, I really want to see market respecting this fair value gap. Look at GBP now. It's not moving lower. And that's because Euro GBP is going lower. So DXY is moving higher too, which is what we like to see. Look at GBP. It's literally going higher. It's coming into, I think it is gonna take out this original consolidation right here, which is great. No, I'm not break even. I'm gonna go break even once this order block is created. Okay, so it is gonna turn into an order block once price breaches this low. So once that happens, I'm gonna go break even on the trade. Now I'm gonna go break even on this. I think these live streams are really great because you get to understand how I manage my positions as well. Oh, you were in a trade too? That's amazing. Oh, giveaway. And then I think that I'm gonna do the other giveaway on this thing as well, Discord. So I'm making White Dragon. Whoa, that's great. I'm making another giveaway here as well. Congratulations to everyone that won. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So I posted. I could not convert 60 to a valid. Oh, wait. I'm creating a new giveaway. Don't know, for some reason I'm not able to create a giveaway. Okay, never mind. I'll just pick a giveaway from, you know, with Nightbot actually. I'll set it up. How can I see who won? I just got a call. I left the stream for a few minutes. So go into the Discord server. There is a channel named as giveaway. See if your name is there. It took me 6, 7 months to get profitable. Yeah, I'm still in. Yes, I'm still in. My target isn't met yet. I'll set up Nightbot. Thank you, man. Thank you. Efek, it's really nice to see you here. Thanks a lot for the support. I saw you were retweeting my posts as well. I really appreciate it. Good luck with the giveaway account, man. Good luck. Really happy for you. Okay, so for the giveaway, thank you, Zara. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I think I think it hit my break even, lol. Wait. Yes, I think it hit my break even. Well, no worries. So that's a break even. No problem. Gonna get it in the next stream. Also, um, for participation in the giveaway here, just type the word trade, okay, and then you will be eligible for the giveaway. So type in the word trade so I can actually pick it up. So Nightbot can actually pick it up. All right, so let me just pick up the got unlucky with the trade, but whatever. As I've said, it's just a losing transaction. By the way, do not spam it. Um, or Nightbot might actually just cancel your entry. Just give me a moment to actually set up this thing. Don't know now. I don't know what is this issue uh with Nightbot. It's not picking up members. I think I'm gonna host this giveaway after the stream is over on Discord because right now there's some issue. There's some issue in Nightbot as well, and as well as the Discord, uh, the Discord, the Discord bot as well. Alright, guys, so I'm really sorry about this situation with the Nightbot and the Discord board. So I'll pick a winner. I'll host a giveaway in the Discord server. So, but don't worry. I'll note the people who were in the stream. So, yeah, really sorry about it. I don't know for some reason not the Nightbot and the Discord board both are not working. So sorry about it though. All right, actually, if you guys leave the stream and then join again, it is actually picking it up. So those who are actually chatting now, they are being picked up. Yeah. So now just say the word trade, and now Nightbot is actually picking it up. And Josepa said, type the word trade in YouTube, okay, not on Discord because the bot is in YouTube, not in Discord. Alright, so I'm gonna give like a few minutes so everyone gets eligible. The inner circle trader, bro. I thought it's ICT lol. Had me excited for a while. Al- All right, so I'll just pick the winners now. Okay, okay. So, this. All right. So all the winners, they should just text me on Twitter or on the Discords. I'll just text me on Twitter, not on Discord. Discord is kind of messy. So text me on Discord. This at the rate. Congratulations. Please make sure to. Okay. Nabil Ahmed has won as well. Cricket lovers won it as well. 10 CFG has won the giveaway as well. Muhammad Tavish Alim. And we have the last one, King's Nation. So, congratulations to every single one. Make sure to DM me on Twitter and please post some kind of like a screenshot of your channel profile so that I know that yeah, it's actually you. You're welcome. You're welcome. No worries. And this thing, this is gonna be really ridiculous. Price just runs lower to my TP now. Well, whatever. Uh, Congratulations to all the winners and thanks a lot to everyone that watched the stream till end and stayed up with me. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next stream. I'll be really consistent with it. These streams are gonna be coming. You are welcome, Mr. Nabil. All right. So, bye everyone and have a great time. Have a great trading days ahead of you. Yes, King's Nation, you have won the giveaway. All right. So, have a great time. Do DM me on Twitters. No worries, bro. You are welcome. Take care, everyone.